What's going on, guys? Cody here with CJ Build. Thanks for tuning back to the channel. And guys, if you guys saw the last video, we were able to get some wide open throttle pulls in the new built motor, but today we're going to be raising the boost. So I do have an electronic boost controller, but I don't have it wired in currently, and this week it's been a little bit chaotic, but I did find a manual boost controller that I got wired up here. I'll show you guys how I plumbed it, and we're gonna see if we can raise the boost a little bit. Kind of want maybe around 10-11 psi, maybe 12. Let me show you what we got working with. We'll turn the knob a couple times, see what we get, and do some rips. So I have it here for right now. It is just some random eBay manual boost controller. I had it laying around from, I believe, the Altezza. It was an extra one that was on the Altezza. So I have it routed right now. So I have it coming down from the compressor of the front of the turbo, coming into the boost controller, and then going out towards the bottom of the wastegate. And then the top, I have it connected. You guys will put it to nothing. Right now I still have it connected to the electronic boost controller I have down here, but it's not in use right now. So this, you can either cap it off or whatever. Right now the main thing we're going to be using is out of the compressor into the manual boost controller, from the manual boost controller to the wastegate. I hope I explained that properly. So we're going to turn the knob a couple times and see what PSI we get. 1, 2, nope, that was 4. All right, so leave it at 3. We'll give it 3 clicks. So now let's take the car out. Let's watch the boost gauge. I'm gonna have the laptop connected too, so we can get a map sensor reading. And let's see what we get. What is it about when I'm filming here that evils just go by? Today's just a 10th gen. So the highest boost that we hit there was 8.6 psi, and for the most part it was around 8. It wasn't really like sitting at 8.6. It was at 8, then creeped a little up to 8.6. So we're gonna turn the knob a few more times, see if we can get closer to that 10 psi range. AFRs look good during the pull. It's just we need more boost. Alright guys, on that pull it didn't go up any more boost, so I'm gonna turn the knob like 4 or 5 more times to see if we can see it increase. I know when I was testing it there was kind of an area where a couple of the clips weren't doing anything, so I'm gonna give it 5 more turns and then we'll go out and see if we can raise the boost, because it's stuck on 8.6. So I'm gonna go change that and then we'll get back in. I'm gonna turn it like 5 or 10 times to see if we see some kind of increase. Yep, okay, so that time it definitely increased the boost. When it hit boost cut, so there it hit 11 psi, a little bit loud, Jesus. So it is working. I guess I gotta dial it back. I turned it 8 times that time, so let's turn it maybe 4 more times to the right. Alright, so I turned it back 4 more times. Have boost cut at 13. Let's see what we get now. try to reset the sensor, but I'm pretty sure it was the freaking 8 psi again, bro. I'm gonna turn it to the left 2 times and see, because at 4 it was too much, but now I went back and it's at 8, so it seems like there's like a jump there. So I'm gonna turn it 2 more times and see what we get. Okay, so that was 9.6. Sensor is seeing 9.8, but my gauge is still stuck at 8. I don't know if my boost gauge is bad. But I think even when I hit 11 psi, it didn't even show that it did. Top, it started leaning out because out of boost, out of VTEC it was fine. It's when you cross into VTEC above like 5500 RPM, it started leaning out. So let's just shoot this up a bit. Or even throw a splashing down here too. Injector, because I richened it up quite a bit. Let me check the logs again, but I might be running out of injector. I'm on 410cc I'm on 410cc RDX injectors, but I wonder if I'm running out. Let me see the duty cycle. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but I'm watching to see when it goes into boost. I'm trying to check the duty cycle and see. When we're on the top, the injector duty cycle creeping up to like 86%. Yeah, fudge, I'm running out of injector. All right guys, so we are hitting a limitation with our fuel, so hope you guys enjoyed the video, but that's where we're gonna have to cut it. See you guys next week, and hopefully we can do more boostings.